What are your options for a loan to avoid foreclosure? If you are struggling and finding it hard to pay your mortgage, you may want to look into a loan to avoid foreclosure. We all know that these are troubled economic times. People everywhere are losing their jobs, which means living by a very strict budget to get by. People who had been saving in better economic times have it a little easier if they lose their jobs. People without savings can be in real financial trouble. There are not a lot of jobs out there and a lot of people looking for them. Even people who still have a good job are watching what they are spending more and more. Everything just seems to get more and more expensive. If you are lucky enough to still have a job, you really need to be cutting back your spending and focusing on saving in case you run into hard times ahead. Why get a loan to avoid foreclosure? You may want to obtain a new loan to stop foreclosure for a variety of reasons. One reason may be because you are starting to get behind on the payments on your original loan because they are so high. A loan to prevent the foreclosure process can mean lowering your interest rate, which means lowering your payments. Perhaps you have missed some payments on your original loan. Then, getting a loan when your home is about being foreclosed upon can pay off the amount you are past due on the original loan. It can also let you start fresh and improve your credit with a new loan. It is like starting the clock over again and pretending that the past due balance did not happen so you can get caught up and stay that way. A loan to avoid foreclosure may actually free up some cash from the loan. So, you could use that to fix up your house, pay your credit cards off, or do something else to better your situation. This is helpful if you need to catch up on other types of financial things. But keep in mind that you do have to pay that money back as it is part of your loan. It is not free money for you to go on vacation with. Loans to stop foreclosure have to be paid in full, including the cash you got out of the loan. You will not get such a loan for no cost to you. The lenders and brokers do have to make some money on the loans they arrange. Sometimes the fees for your loan to avoid foreclosure can be incorporated into the new loan. So, you are not having to come up with the cash when you are already financially struggling. You do have to pay it back at the end of the loan though. Where can you get a loan to stop foreclosure? There are a lot of companies advertising on TV and on the radio that they can help you get a loan to avoid foreclosure. The reputable companies in this market who really know how to help homeowners who are facing a serious financial crisis can help you get a loan to stop your foreclosure that will help you keep your home and get back on track. Just make sure they are not charging outrageous fees and that they really are going to better your situation. You should talk to several companies before you choose one to work with to be sure you get the best deal. If you have good credit despite your problems, it is possible to get a loan to avoid foreclosure.